Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Come on in and get settled. So today, I'm doing a hair tutorial. Not like okay, we're doing the new Wednesday Addams hairstyle tutorial. You know, where she has her little long braids. Okay, first of all, if you haven't seen the new Addams Family trailer, stop what you're doing. Go watch the Addams Family. Like, pop it up in another window and then come back to me. So today, y'all, I'm going to show you how to do your hair like Wednesday Addams. Like her little nooses at the bottom, which are so cute. So, as you can see, I already have my hair braided in braids because I didn't think I needed to teach y'all how to do that. So, before we actually get started with the hair gig, y'all know me. We always got to smudge and strike the singing bowl, because I always want to get all the old negativity out and bring some new positivity in for whatever you're doing, even if you're just doing your hair. Oh, plus it always makes me feel like better to get a little woo-woo on. Take some sage for yourself. And I'm going to take some sage. Sage my hair. Yes, girl. Y'all know I love to smell stuff. If you don't know that I love to smell stuff, then you haven't watched my first video, which was really long, and I'm going to go ahead and apologize, by the way. But if you have seen my first video, look, Fiona's making an appearance. Can you see? Is it focusing? This is Fiona. She is parfum for your temples, wrist, and solar plexus chakra. She helps release potent creative energy. I know, like, the ritual was like potent sexual energy, but I was like, not today, not tomorrow. No. Not right now. Okay. It's still going. Oh, let me before I show you my braids, let me tell you just one more thing. Did you know that you can put stuff in your singing bowl? And then we're going to take our Fiona parfum, which is available. I believe it's available like a la carte, like you don't have to buy the whole box. She has all kinds of like little ritual things, and she's got parfums. She's got like all natural, you know, perfume. I'm going to call them perfumes. I know she calls them parfums. These earrings came in the solar box for the month. I'm babbling now. But you can take things like your little oils that you got from holisticfashionista.com, where you used code Stina10 for 10% off. And then you can... Sorry, I was like, it's making... It sounded a little different. Because it's in a glass bottle. She's not one of those basic broads. But when you put stuff in the singing bowl and then you like chime it, the vibrations, because these bowls vibrate, like the vibrations go into whatever you just put in there. It's a new way that I do like long distance healings. Like one of the things that I've started to do, and I'll share this with you, is I'll write like a name on a piece of paper for like one of the people that I'm doing healings for. And then, so I wrote down a name, and then I wrote down like all the things that they wanted to manifest, or their intentions. Or I did one for myself where I wrote down my name, and then I wrote down all the things that I wanted to be, but not like, I want to be successful on YouTube and make $1 million and have thousands of subscribers and have friends and a life. I wrote down things like, I want to be confident, I want to be abundant, I want to be blissful, I want to be loved, I want to be loving. I wrote down all that stuff, and then I put it in the singing bowl, and I like struck it a couple of times, and I sang mantras and prayers over it. And I do that like on the regular. So now, hair. So basically, if you want to do the Wednesday Addams braid, you start with a regular braid. You will probably want to get you some clear hair. I mean, you can use like regular rubber bands. I like the clear ones because they're clear. So if it like pops out, not like if it pops out, but you know, it looks, here's my hair, there's the clear tie. So it's not like a color or, okay. So when you do your braid, you want to keep like a little bit or a lot. It looks like a lot when I do it. So you want to have like some hair at the end because that's what you're going to wrap around. So you take, let me get up. All right. So after you braid your hair, your long braid, you're going to want to take it and loop it like that. And then you kind of want to separate. Can't see it. Okay, then you want to separate one of your braids and you want to push this part through. I didn't do this the first time I did it, but I realized today that it keeps it more secure. So then you've got that. Okay, so you've got a loop and it's coming through the top. Then you want to take this tail and wrap it around. Because that's what makes the noosey part. Then once you're done with that, you go to the back side. I'm sure if y'all had like some hairspray or some gel, it would work perfectly. I do not, because I'm real basic when it comes to my hair. This is like the first time that I've like ever, figured out a hairstyle. And you take a bobby pin. My bobby pins are black. Like my soul. Just kidding. Then you want to take the bobby pin and like push it up the back side of the braid to hold that in place. See? So then the other side, just get up, girl. Okay, so you want to take the braid, loop it, separate one of your braids, and then push from the back to the front the little tail piece. Okay, so it's like that. Then you wrap the tail that's, the tail of the braid around. I'm sure if you had like some gel, you could gel it and lock it into place. Like I said previously. So then when you get to all your divorced ends wrapped around, you take another bobby pin. Give me a bobby pin. Alright. So then you take your bobby pin and you go up the back side. I don't know if you can see this, but you just go up the back. Make sure you get all the piece. And then you kind of push it. Okay. I've never done a hair tutorial, obviously. So, you do that. And then when you get to, like, the back side will have a visible bobby pin. But nobody sees, like, the back side of it. Because in true Wednesday Addams fashion, just tell people to get away from you. Okay, that one didn't. Anyway. So now you have your little Wednesday Addams hair gig going on. And you're done. You can put hairspray or, I don't know, soles, whatever you use to keep your hair in place. I generally don't do my hair. I just generally put it up in a bun because life. So, there you go. Now, one last thing, because we like to get it very cosmic chakra namaste up in here. And because I make my videos apparently much longer than they... Like, I see people on YouTube and they have, like, really concise. They're really... What's the drag queen's name that's all, like, concise, clear, concise, short? Bianca Del Rio. I love Bianca Del Rio, but I kind of get the feeling that she wouldn't like me. I get that about a lot of people. Anyway, so I drew an oracle card because I was like, what's the message? What do I need to share? What do I need to tell y'all? Look at this card. It says no, which is very Wednesday Addams. Look at this card. Please zoom in. Like I've got a camera, dude. Look, it's got like lightning. Stuff is falling. It says no. Wait, postpone, pause, say no, which is like A, very Wednesday Addams, and B kind of goes with that card that I pulled the other day about relaxation and being lazy. So apparently my 2 messages for the week is like be lazy and say no. All right, y'all. That's all I got for y'all today. That's all you're getting for free right now. More time, show the hair. Do you see? That one looks better. That one looks a little just. When you want to take it out, you just pull the bobby pin out. Gee, God. Y'all ever get bobby pins and stuff stuck in your head and it's like, it just makes you want to give up? I do. Just wrap it tighter. It's like super simple because I can do it. Damn it, I lost my bobby pin. That's it, y'all. I'm done. I am done.